Alright guys, so today's video is going to be short and quick. By the way, it's your friend Jack here, and we're going to be talking about making money online, and also I want to share with you guys another YouTube channel that I've created. I really have gotten a lot into cryptocurrency these past few weeks, and I decided to make a cryptocurrency channel. So first things first, if you want to check that out, it is Jack Ingram Crypto. I'll leave it down in the description, but I want to talk about making money online and so many different things right in this video real quick. Not going to take too much of your time, and essentially what I want to talk about is, finding the right thing for you and what's going to work for making money online for you. So I know this channel is primarily about print on demand, as you see here. I make a lot of videos about my print on demand progress. I'm by no means an expert in the field of print on demand, but I just have been sharing my tips along the way, and actually sharing my tips along the way while doing print on demand has amassed me almost 4,000 subscribers here on YouTube and has made me over $1,000 just sharing my video experience. And obviously this did still require a lot of effort. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy peasy money. I did have to put a lot of effort into my videos, what I was going to make the videos on, how I was going to do things. Not every video was just me flashing how much I made. I also tried to benefit you guys and help you guys build your print-on-demand businesses. But I also want to make sure that people who watch my videos understand that there's not only one right way to do things. There's not only one right way to make money online, certainly. And I really do think that YouTube channels and making videos is something that I really actually enjoy doing, especially because I get to talk about and make channels that are directly in line with my interests. Now, making YouTube videos might not be for everyone, so I'm just going to preface this by saying maybe print on demand is the thing for you, but print on demand might not be the thing for you, okay? And I'm not saying stop and quit. I'm saying take a look and look at maybe there's other options that are ultimately better. YouTube might be a terrible idea for you. Maybe you hate talking to the camera, and maybe you hate editing videos, and maybe you hate sharing your thoughts. So don't do YouTube, okay? There's plenty of other options, and print on demand might be the thing that works for you, because maybe you like making shirts. Maybe you like looking at the competition, researching. Maybe you like all that stuff about it. In that case, do what you like. But the things that you like are ultimately going to work out better, because if you're more passionate about something, you don't have to force yourself nearly as hard to do the basically thing that's going to make you money. And when it's not about making money, it's more or less about doing the thing. It works out 10 times better. So if you have enjoyed my videos on, print on demand and stuff like that, I am going to actually now plug my other channel once again, Jack Ingram Crypto. So this channel is dedicated to cryptocurrencies, and if you aren't familiar with crypto at all, I'm trying to make it pretty, high level, but some of my videos will be a bit confusing to people who are new to crypto. But I do think by watching my videos and other crypto YouTubers, you can learn a lot if you're interested in the space. One cryptocurrency that I'm really interested in is Cardano. You may or may not have heard of this. Chances are you haven't if you're not into cryptocurrency, but I am sharing my experience with buying Cardano and holding it, and cryptocurrency, investing, or whatever you want to call it. And I'm sharing my experience once again, and I'm also sharing some news on things that are happening around the space that I like, which is Cardano and other cryptocurrencies. So stuff like that I'm going to be covering on this channel. I'm also going to be covering fun things too, not just news, things like how do you make money with cryptocurrency, or how much money in cryptocurrency do you need to live off of. There's different ways you can make money from cryptocurrency without actually selling the cryptocurrency, and I really do like that. So I just want to put that out there. It's my crypto channel, and this is something that I'm doing that I really like doing, so it doesn't really feel like work. It's fun, right? Things that are fun ultimately do work out better. I am still making 5 t-shirt designs a day. That's what I'm doing, because I am trying to build up that just simple income. I don't find print on demand a hard, difficult task anymore. Just building it up slowly for some extra money. Right now I'm making anywhere from $100 to $250, $300 a month from print on demand, and it's very nice just to have that extra money coming in, especially because I'm not employed, I'm self-employed, meaning all the money I make is essentially from this YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for your support, and also from things like print on demand and Amazon KDP, and then some affiliate offers that I do promote on this channel. But I just want to put that out there that you don't just have to make t-shirts, you don't just have to have a YouTube channel, You should try different things out, but you should also, try not to give up too quick. If you're doing something just for the money, chances are you are going to give up quick, just because when you're doing something just for the money, it becomes more or less a critical standpoint for how well you're doing, and how well you're doing should be based on how much enjoyment you're getting out of the thing. Especially if it's a side hustle, you want to make sure it's something you are somewhat passionate about, and at least half the time you have some enjoyment in doing the thing. Not everything's going to be peaches and rainbows and sunshine, but having passion or having some interest in the thing you're doing is going to make it a lot more fun, and you're not just going to be looking at, oh, how many views did I get? Only 11, only 6. That's fine, right? Because I had fun making the video, I had fun talking about it, and I have developed a liking for talking to the camera through this channel and through many other, YouTube videos that I've done in the past, and I really do enjoy this. I really do enjoy sharing my thoughts, and just sharing my opinions can be fun. Even if people disagree, that's okay. No one's gonna have the exact same opinions about everything. But yeah, I just want to put this video out there to show you guys you don't have to do one thing. You can do multiple things. So what I'm doing, I'm making this YouTube channel, I'm making a crypto YouTube channel, and I'm also working on the print on demand sale on this channel. And that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, I want to be fully transparent with you guys. I want to show you guys what I'm doing, what my life is like, and nothing's 100% perfect. I am mainly on my computer, 90% of the time, because that's just how I am. I'm always at my desk, always on my computer, doing something. Sometimes it's not productive, I'll tell you that, but I'm always at my desk, always at my computer. Lately, the weather has been really nice out, so we're getting outside. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to check out the crypto channel, I'd be more than happy to have you over there. I'm going to be trying to make some more introduction level videos for cryptocurrency. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of crypto news there too, but I'm going to be trying to make some more basic level videos. Maybe I'll put them on this channel too. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next freaking video. Peace out.